Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You see this fine balloon art you're seeing. I'm going to teach you how to make it from start to finish, and trust me, it's the easiest process you could ever try. So just stick with me. Let's get it started. So you'll be needing a balloon pump and balloons of your choice, whatever color you want to use, and also a balloon sizer cube. So right now I'm just unboxing the balloon arch kit that I got from Amazon. It contains pretty much everything you'll be needing for the balloon arch. The only things I had to get differently were the electric balloon pump, because I didn't want to use the manual one that came with the balloon arch. I had to get balloons, of course, and the balloon sizer, which makes a whole lot of difference in making the balloon. So the first step is to fill up your balloon with air, and I will be doing that with this electric pump. You can do 2 balloons at a time. After that, you measure or size it up. I'll be using 8 inches. You can use 10 inches or whatever size you want to use, and then I tie my balloon. So I'm doing this again so you guys can just see how I went about it. Blow up your balloons, check the size, 8 inches. If it's too small, if it's too big, you add more air or you reduce it, and then you tie up your balloons, and that's it. Just go ahead and do the same thing for all balloons. For this tutorial, I used a total of 148 balloons. That's 74 for each color. So 74 white, 74 blue. So your next step is to take your balloon through the inner hole of the balloon clip, attach it to any of the inner corners, and then make a loop to secure it tightly to the outer corner next to it. Outer corner or outer hole. I don't know if that makes sense. So inner corner first, then make a loop to secure it tightly to the outer corner, and that's it. So considering the fact that we're doing a spiral balloon arch, you're going to do one white, one blue, one white, one blue, alternatively that way. And then that's 4 balloons on one balloon clip. This is what it should look like once you're done attaching the balloons to the balloon clip. So do this for all 148 balloons. This shouldn't take so long, maybe 20 minutes tops. So now we fill the water bags with water, and you close it up like so. over a week old, but I realized I probably did not explain in detail how to get the spiral shape. So the first step is to get a reference color, and the reference color for this tutorial is blue. Now you start taking your blues and placing them to the left of the previous one. So if I have my first blue at a particular position, the next one is going to be to the left of the previous one. So you do this, just keep watching, and then you will understand what I'm saying. If you have a blue at this position, the next one goes to the left of the first one. I just zoomed in so you all can see it very well. So just keep placing each blue to the left of the previous one till you get to the middle. So once you get to the middle point and you're coming downwards, all you have to do is just change position. Instead of placing it to the left, you place it to the right. That's like clockwise position. Yes. So you start placing it to the right of the previous one. I'm going to be using the same arch kit for my son's next birthday, for my birthday. Tag me on Instagram, comment below if you like this kind of video. If you're going to try it out, let me know. And I'll suggest you do it a day or 2 days before your party, and that way you have enough time to do other things. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.